But remember, this is one of the toughest opponent esinayo after Stellenbosch. Njengoba sohlangana neStellenbosch. It's not only Kaizer Chiefs. We also have Stellenbosch away, by the way. We are going to play at Athlone. So it was always expected ukuthi it was going to be a tough encounter, considering the fact that previously we have beaten them 3-0. So to save themselves from an embarrassment, they came with a plan that let's rather sit at the back and Mhlambe will catch Pirates on e-transition. And it nearly worked, you know. It nearly worked. I think futhi Mhlambe ne introduction ka Namtanjela from Pirates perspective is little because there was no creativity whatsoever. Angibeke nje straight, Pirates players didn't come to the party. Only towards the last 15 minutes or so, I saw Pirates engiyaziyo. Nakhona it was a glimpse. It wasn't you know, the entire personnel that was trying ukuthi sithole, you know, the maximum point. So